What's up everybody, and welcome back to a brand new feature on the channel called 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open up your eBay listings to the global marketplace via eBay's global shipping program. The global shipping program makes your items available to over 60 million buyers worldwide, plus you're protected from neutral and negative feedback. With the eBay global shipping program, you simply package your items, send them into eBay's UK shipping centre, and that's it guys, your job's done. For all eligible items, eBay manage the international postage and customs process for you. I've recently set up a brand new eBay account, so we're going to jump into a screen share and I'm going to show you how to activate the global shipping program quickly and easily.
Okay, so we've headed into eBay, and you just need to access your account settings via the drop down at the top left. Once you've clicked into account settings, you will be taken to my eBay, and you're looking under the selling section for postage preferences. Once you've clicked your postage preferences, this will take you through to manage posting settings, and as you can see, global shipping program is right at the top. If you're not enrolled, it will say not enrolled, and then all you need to do is click edit. So this is the global shipping program page, and it just gives you a little bit of information on how it works. Definitely worth a read so you fully understand it. And as you can see, it is free to enroll. So all you need to do is click Start Now. Now you do have the option of integrating your existing listings into the program so long as they're eligible. If you don't want to do that, just select the no radius. Or if you do, keep it on yes and hit continue. And that's it guys, you've now opened up your marketplace to millions of new buyers globally via the global shipping program. Now what you can do is you can visit your selling area just to see if the action has actually worked by checking one of your active listings. So I'm going to head down here to this particular listing for this TP link range booster, and I'm going to have a look to see if global shipping program has actually been actioned. So once I'm into the listing, I just need to scroll down to the delivery section, which is just underneath selling details. And as you can see, the international postage via global shipping program has been automatically ticked. So that means all my listings are now automatically enrolled into the global shipping program. And any future listings that I can do moving forward, I can just select global shipping program, and international buyers will now be able to access all of my listings.
Okay guys, that's it. That's how easy it is to activate the global shipping program. Now I hope you got something from this video. If you did, please give us a massive thumbs up so we know we're doing a good job. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated on all our great content, which we try and bring out every single week. We'll see you on the next one.